Warm greetings to one and all. So let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Antoniraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the course, so C programming. Under that C programming, we can able to discuss about the topic Introductions to C programming. What do you know about C programming? So here C programming language developed in the early 1970s. So it is a powerful and versatile language. So widely used for system programming, application development and embedded system. So here, so it is a new language where we can able to derive from another old languages from a B programming language to C programming language. So it was developed in the year 1970. So it can able to provide a powerful and a versatile language which is used for a system programming, applications development and embedded systems. So what is meant by a system programming? So where we can able to give an input, we can able to get an executions and we can able to give an output is called as a system programming. So here applications development means so giving some sort of an inputs to the systems and it can able to execute and then process and execute and give the result by developing different types of applications. So last one it is called as an embedded systems where we can able to use for the purpose of an embedding systems process is called as an embedded systems. So next point. So it's an efficiency and an control over the system resources make it a foundational language in computer science. So because it is defined as an efficiency. What do you mean by an efficiency in a system means? So when we are giving an n number of inputs to the system, so it can able to give an accurate result. It is called as an efficiency and we can able to have a control over the systems. So when we are giving a certain commands, we can able to make a control of a particular process. So only it is called as to make an foundational course in a computer science. So this is what we can able to see about introductions to C programming. So next topic we can able to see about a history of C language, where when it was an origin, that was called as a history of C languages. So here, so C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in the early 1970 as an evolutions of a B language. So as I told earlier, so the C language was evaluated from the B language. So here since we have certain difficulties in using a B language, then we can able to move to a next language that is called as a C. So it was developed by Dennis Ritchie in a Bell Laboratory at the early stage of 1970. So next one we can able to see about a standardization. So when it was being standardized means when it can able to become a popularized. So that is called as an so acceptable by all the users where we can able to use this C programming language. That is the time it taken in 1989. So it is called as an ANSI standardization C. So providing and consistency for compilers. So giving a lot of features and lot of user-friendly information to the compilers. It is called as a standardized ANSI. So it is called as a standardized ANSI C. So next one we can able to see about a popularization. So popularizations means as it has been given in the earliest 19s the programming language. So but it has been only popular during because of the clear cut of the efficiencies and portabilities. So it became a very common and it can able to be the choice of many of the system programming. Those who need to have a system programming, since it is being very efficient and can be able to have a portability. So it has been gained a popularity. So for being used to do in the system programming. So next one we can able to see about features of C language. So what is mean by features? What are the advantages can be able to have in as a features is called as features of a C language. First features is called as an efficiency. Second one is called as an portability, and third one is called as a rich library support. Efficiency. We can able to tell efficiency means so C provides a low level access to memory and system resources. So here we don't need to have a very high level languages in order to access those information which is stored in the memory, and we cannot need to have a high level memory to have a system resources. Such way the C programming can be able to have a low level access to the memory which has been already stored, where we can able to retrieve those informations and we can able to use it for our purpose, and we can able to access the system resources, and we can also allows the developers to write a highly efficient code. So because of being an efficiency, we can able to allow the users to write, or developers to write an efficiency code. So next one is called as a portability. So what is meant by a portability? So C code can be compiled on various platforms with minimum charge, making it an ideal for a class platform development. So here, so C can be able to, as we told earlier, so C can be able to compile in various platforms. So the only thing we need to do a minimal changes. So here that is what it has been an ideal for being a class platform development. So next one, rich library support. So what is meant by rich library support means it is nothing but it has a set of built-in functions and libraries enabling developers to perform a complex task easily. So here we can able to have give the options for the developers. So to perform various tasks, complex tasks easily, we can able to solve those problems by using this rich library support. So next one, we can able to see about C programming structure in next class. Thank you.